Hello, in this video I will show you how to remove and maybe replace the front bumper on Mercedes Vito. To remove the front bumper, first we're going to remove this grille. In order to remove the grille, there is 3 bolts holding it. One there, one there, and one there. When we remove the bolts, we just take out the grille. Now we take out the grille. Next we're going to remove the front bumper. To remove the front bumper, first we're going to remove the 2 front wheels to make it easier for these wheel arch liners to move to the side. Next we're going to remove all the plastic clips holding the wheel arch liner, which is one up there, there is one there, that's cable ties on my van. Once the wheel archer is free, we're going to just move it to the back and we'll have access to the bolt holding the front bumper on the side. We do the same on this side as well. Now that the 2 wheel arch liners are moved to the side, we'll have access to the bolt holding the front bumper. This is the bolt right there, and it's the same on the other side. Next we're going to remove those 2 bolts holding the bumper on the side. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Next we're going to remove the bolts holding the bumper on top. These are the bolts right there, one there. There's one there which is missing on mine. On the other side again it's missing, it's broken, and one on top right there. There might be also some bolts holding the bumper on the bottom. In my case there isn't any, so next I'm going to remove the bumper. To remove the bumper I need to just pull to the front the bumper and it will come out. And that's the front bumper out. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.